Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende secrets. And today we're going to talk about our colonial era urban planning and how that impacted fireworks and fiestas to this day. In the descriptive box below are links to various websites if you need additional information, including some that go out to Amazon.com that have all the best-selling books in the San Miguel de Allende Secrets book series for sale. San Miguel de Allende is a marvelously preserved colonial town because of its strategic geographic point in colonial Mexico and the formation of a unique Creole culture kept alive in our ceremonial fiestas and fireworks. The religious and civil architecture, combined with the colonial era layout of the town, continues to influence both what and how we celebrate. San Miguel was on the border of the Spanish Empire, with mining communities lying above us and former Mesoamerican sites of power and influence below. San Miguel sat on the silver route, or the north-south spine, for getting silver to Spain and supplies to the mines. Not only was the town not built on top of a former Mesoamerican urban site, but we featured an Hispanic, not pre-Hispanic name. For example, Guanajuato or Querétaro versus San Miguel. In colonial San Miguel, one found art, culture, business, and society in a melting pot mixed with the greatest religious art and educational opportunities available in the Americas. Philosophy classes taught at the School of San Francisco de La Salle's, now the legal campus for the University of León, displayed extraordinary intellectual and spiritual vitality. All these factors combined generated not only an outstanding town, but also a political restlessness that started the War for Independence. San Miguel's leaders built a rich civil and ecclesiastical architectural universe, formed by hospitals, cemeteries, inns, public plazas, churches, convents, grand homes, and markets. Between 1730 and 1760, the spaces of power and control for the town, like royal homes, the jail, and the corn exchange house, were moved from Plaza de la Soledad, now called Plaza Civica, to the Jardín, home of our parish church or paroquia. The Jardín was first planned from east to west, as the Church of San Rafael, also called the Santa Escuela, was originally oriented this way. Town's four main streets went from east to west: Misiones, San Francisco/Canal, Corio/Umaran, and Cuadrante/Haspitico/Pila Seca. The paroquia was then oriented from north to south, thereby increasing the importance of the north to south access to town from those routes then formed and flourished. With time, the urban framework began taking form, and the diversity of public plaza, sites to which San Miguel citizens gave life with their religious celebrations around the springs, fountains, plazas, and gardens. Thus, the 18th century is the Mexican colonial golden age, with the architecture and layout of San Miguel reflecting that. The Baroque architecture of San Miguel, combined with the hub of education, religion, culture, and rebellion, set the town apart from all the others on the Silver Route to this day. Feel free to click the subscribe button below and you'll get notifications all month long